Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be covering how to use the link building tool in SEMrush in 2024. This tool helps you find and secure valuable backlinks, improving your site's authority and rankings. So I'll show you how to set up a link building campaign, maybe find some prospects and track your progress. So you can build a strong backline profile. So that's going to be for in this video, so let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch us from now till the end so you have full experience. First, we'll need to go and open a browser. For me here, I'm using Brave. For you, you can use whatever you want. Once you open it, go to this URL section, basically just type semrush.com and hit the enter button. Of course, if it's your first time, you will be taken into this page. As you can see, this is the home page. Here, you can go to the top right corner and click on login to log into your account if you have one. If you don't, you'll be able to click on sign up to create an account. And you can use, as you can see, Google account if you don't want to get through all the boring steps of creating or even logging in into your account. Once you're logged in, you should find yourself in here. So now, how to use the link building tool in SEMrush. So once we're logged in, as you can see, we'll need to start setting up a new campaign. To set up a new campaign, we'll need to go and click on create a campaign, or to set up, of course, the new link like building projects. Where can I find that as an example? So where's the campaigns? If we go to this list panel, we'll find SEO, we'll find like local, advertising, social media, content marketing, trends, and agency solutions. So as you can see, multiple things. So where can I find it? So if you go to this list panel, click on SEO, if you scroll down, you'll find here link building. And you'll find link building tool. So just go and click on that. Once you click on it, you'll be able to find yourself in here. So to create a campaign as an example, as you can see, this is the link building tool, a powerful tool to quickly and easily build like some backlinks. Of course, 2,000 prospects of each domain, 10 outreach strategies predefined, and 4 parameters for tracking outreach. So first of all, you'll have to start by entering your domain or entering or creating a campaign. Of course, creating a campaign, basically, you'll have just to enter your domain. And you'll be prompted, of course, in here to start building the link building. So I don't know. I guess I have like, let me just go and check. So it's .online, right? It's still working, yeah. So this .online and click on start link building. So once you go and click on that as an example here, where you'll be able, first of all, or you officially start like now creating your like link building tool or using the link building tool. So here, first of all, once you enter your domain name, will be taken here. So it's time to start adding these keywords. Of course, you'll need to select just the targeted keywords and competitors that you want to focus on. These keywords should be relevant to your website and are the ones that you want to rank higher for in search results. You can choose also the geographic, of course, region and language if you're targeting a specific option. But as you can see from here, okay, never mind. I thought it will require from you like a plan or to start your free trial, but it does not seem like it. So here's an example. Enter one key per line or separate keywords with a comma or semicolon. Of course, this is the semicolon and this is the comma. Or of course, you can simply just hit enter, I guess, and it will go down. Basically, which is per line. So here's an example. I don't know. The keywords that I'll use in here is recipe, maybe. I'll use like fitness. I'll use like, I don't know. What should I choose? Like goals, calendar, sports, I don't know, like food, garden. How much do I have around? So I have 1, 2, 3. Okay, until 7. So I'll need to add 3. Of course, you don't have even to add 3. Like it's up to you to add whatever you want, but you'll be able to add until 10. And of course, you'll also have to do the same with competitors. So you'll need to add like competitors that you want to outperform. You'll have to enter one competitor per line separated again. It's going to be the same. So I don't know about your competitors, so I'm going to let it empty in here. But for you, make sure to add like competitor for you. Okay, so we'll need to add at least one. I don't know. So what competitor should I choose? Let me just look for something online. So uh, for like competitor as example, and you can just go and enter like something. So in here, I don't know. Should I just, of course, for you, like you'll have to go and identify like your competitors for each keyword that you have, and you can simply just direct competitors that just add their website directly in here in the industry or niche. Like it's going to be very simple. Of course, you'll be able also to add like up to 10. So keep that in mind. So for recipes example, I don't know. This isn't recipes. I'll just go and type recipients, find here. So recipe 10 eats example. This one, I'll just do this as a competitor. So I'll just go and enter that. Enter it right here. And yeah, click on start link building. So let's just wait as example for thing until it starts, and it should start working right away. So example in here, collecting and analyzing data. All you need to do now, just set sites and wait a little bit. Of course, this basically will do like some research, some compositive analysis. And of course, from there, you will have now to start go and do your own page SEO optimization. This is not for this video. Basically, it's just showing you how to use the tool. But once it's finished, analyze as example, analyzing the competitor, it will show you example what you should do on your site. So example, so collecting data and analyzing data is complete. You can view the prospects, and here it will show you basically as example what you should do. As you can see, a lot of things to be done. So just go and do all of that. As you can see, so a lot of things, as I said, to be done. And once you finish all of that, of course, you will have to do it on your websites. This is basically the SEO optimization. You'll need to also do some backlink building, technical SEO audits, maybe position tracking, content marketing insight. This might seem a little bit advanced, but if you've done all of this in here, you'll get used to it a lot already. So yeah, I guess that's gonna be it for me today. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. So goodbye.